Let's talk about how online teaching technology can help students to crack examination. As we all know, online learning has grown exponentially on and off of institutes and throughout education. Number of teachers are busy working to move their face-to-face classes online. And if we talk about civil exam preparations, traditionally aspirants from across the country had two choices: either relocate to Delhi, the coaching hub for IAS preparation, or study from home. The core advantage is, it saves travel time and removes the need to relocate. Also, the e-learning platform has provided students a great help in cracking their examination. Let's know about to make online teaching better. Record your lectures along with live streaming for your learners. If students are unwell or struggling with internet access, they will miss a live streamed lecture. EduGyaan provides secure video streaming as well as automatic recording of lectures on cloud instantly. Now you can teach in your own style. Though online students do not like frequent changes in their learning style, once you find a teaching style working for you, feel free to repeat it each week until find to make any changes. Make online classes more interactive so that students understand better. Student may feel bored during online classes, so make your sessions interesting. Encourage students to use the communication tools to answer questions. Don't forget to use auto-checking to measure attendance. If you tell students that their attendance will be measured by their joining the sessions, it will increase compliance. You can use the automatic checking features on the EduGyaan portal. Try to keep your sessions short. Videos recorded should not be longer than 120 minutes. It can cause issues of slower internet or data consumption issue and learner distraction. If you have more to record 2 or 3 short videos. Always choose correct font. Generally in online classes, students use smartphone to watch lectures, so all text is readable on small screens. If using traditional classroom board, then font size should be big, not much, but should be readable on small screens. Choose proper color of markers. To know more, visit www.edugyaan.com.